Welcome back everyone. In this video, we'll prepare your system to build web applications using Python and Flask. Let's get everything installed step by step. I'm going to show you how to install current Python version on Windows. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser. You can use Google Chrome or any other web browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Python and press enter. The official website is python.org. Click on it. Now the website is open. Hover your mouse over the downloads menu. The current version will be shown there. Click on it. Your download will now start. Once the Python setup file is downloaded, right click and select open, or simply double click to begin the installation. Minimize the web browser, the setup will begin. First, make sure to click use admin privilege and add Python to path. Click customize installation. On the optional feature screen, keep everything as it is. This will install pipe, which is used to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. It will also install IDLE, which stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment, used to run Python programs. Click next. Now select install Python for all users. Keep the rest as is. Python will be installed in the specified location. Click install and then click yes if prompted. The installation has started. It will take a few minutes, so be patient. Once it is done, you'll see setup was successful. Click close. Now let's check if Python was installed correctly. Go to start, type cmd and open the command prompt. Type python ---- version and press enter. If the Python version appears, the installation was successful. Let's run our first Python program. Type Python and press enter to open the Python shell. Now type print, open parentheses, double quote, yo-yo coding, double quote and close parentheses. Press enter and then you will print yo-yo coding. Let's see a better way using IDLE. Go to start, type IDLE and open it. Let's try printing something again using the same print method. This time we'll type print hello world, press enter and then we have printed it successfully. You can also save this file. Go to the file, save as, choose desktop or any location you prefer. Let's name it hello world, click save. Now the file will be saved on your desktop. Close IDLE and the Python shell. Alright, you have learned how to install Python 3.13.5 on Windows. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll install Visual Studio Code. See you there.